Hey, stop what you're doing right now because we've got some major Pixel 10 leaks, and let me tell you, things are getting spicy. Just a few months after the Pixel 9 series dropped, all eyes are already on its successor. Yep, you guessed it, the Pixel 10 series. As always, when Google releases a new phone, the rumor mill goes into overdrive, and this time, it's no different. We've been getting some seriously exciting leaks, and I can't wait to break it all down for you. So, what's cooking in Google's hardware kitchen this time? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into everything we know so far about the Pixel 10 series, including a fresh look at Google's biggest move yet. Alright, let's start with the basics. Google's keeping the multi-device strategy going strong with the Pixel 10 series, just like they did with the Pixel 9 lineup. We're not just getting one phone, we're getting multiple devices, and this time, the lineup looks a little beefier. So here's the scoop. The Pixel 10 series could include 4 models. 4. Yeah, I'm not kidding. We're talking about the classic Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL, and, wait for it, a foldable device called the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Google's finally diving into foldables? Say no more. You can just feel the excitement building, right? And it gets better. We've got some juicy code names for these devices, which is usually a dead giveaway when it comes to leaks. The Pixel 10 is internally referred to as Frankel. The Pixel 10 Pro is Blazer. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is Mustang. I mean, come on, talk about a powerful name. And the foldable? That one's called Rango. Rango? I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty cool to me. But let's focus on the big guns for now. Pixel 10 Pro XL. Now hold on a sec. Google diving into foldables is huge. And honestly, it makes a lot of sense. We've seen how well foldables like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip have done. And Google, being the tech giant they are, probably feels like it's time to join the foldable party. This isn't just about jumping on the latest trend. This is a statement that Google's not just here to play catch-up. They're out here trying to set their own trends. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold could very well be Google's first take on a foldable device, and from what we're hearing, it's going to be something special. But I digress. Let's keep our eyes on the prize, the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Before we dive into what's under the hood, there's another rumor that's surfaced, and it's about the Pixel 9a. Now, I know, we're talking about Pixel 10, but stick with me here. This little nugget might actually affect the Pixel 10 series too. Reports suggest that Google could launch a budget-friendly Pixel 9a to fill the gap and offer a more affordable Pixel experience. Think of it like the entry-level model in the Pixel 9 family, giving people a chance to enjoy the core Pixel features without breaking the bank. The 9a could act as a nice entry point for those who want to dip their toes into the Pixel ecosystem, but aren't looking to shell out the full price for the flagship. This is good news for the Pixel 10 series as well, because we might see similar pricing strategies across the board, making the Pixel experience more accessible to a wider audience. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. Under the hood, what's really going on with the Pixel 10? Well, hold on to your seats because this is where the magic happens. The Pixel 10 series is rumored to be powered by Google's next-gen Tensor G5 chip. And when I say next-gen, I mean next-gen. The Tensor G5 is expected to be a major leap forward for Google's custom-designed processors. Remember how we were talking about Google stepping up its hardware game? This is where that gets real. If you're unfamiliar with the Tensor chips, they're Google's custom silicon, designed in-house to bring more AI and machine learning capabilities directly to the phone. The G5 in particular is said to be a complete overhaul, a massive improvement from previous generations. And here's the kicker. While earlier Tensor chips were built on Samsung's Exynos architecture, the G5 will be the first fully in-house chip that Google has designed. And get this, it'll be manufactured using TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process. That means faster performance, better power efficiency, and all-around better hardware integration. It's a massive step forward for Google, and it's clear they're serious about playing with the big boys now. So, what does this mean for the Pixel 10 Pro XL? Well, you can expect some serious improvements. A faster chip means better performance, smoother multitasking, and enhanced gaming capabilities. Plus, with the power efficiency improvements, we could see a much better battery life. But don't just take my word for it. The fact that the G5 has already reached the tape-out stage means it's ready for production. And if these leaks are accurate, we could be looking at some major performance improvements across the board. I'm talking next-level speed, power, and smoothness. Something that'll make the Pixel 10 series stand out in a crowded market. So, what does this all mean for the Pixel 10 Pro XL, especially with the possibility of a foldable device? Well, Google seems to be pushing all their chips to the center of the table with this one. The Foldable Pixel could be the start of Google's long-term push into this market. Samsung's already been dominating the foldable space, but if these rumors are true, Google's ready to throw down and carve out its own niche. Imagine having that sleek, powerful Pixel experience with the versatility of a foldable device. Now, I don't know about you, but that's the kind of innovation I've been waiting for. The Pixel 10 Pro XL could take things to a whole new level with its larger screen size, next-gen chip, and yes, a potential foldable design. So, after all these leaks and rumors, I gotta say, Google is definitely planning something big for the Pixel 10 series. With a foldable device, the custom Tensor G5 chip, and the possibility of a Pixel 9a budget model, they're clearly going all in. This is Google's time to shine in the hardware game, and if these rumors hold up, the Pixel 10 Pro XL could very well be the smartphone of the year. But hey, enough about me. What do you think? Are you excited about the Pixel 10 series? Are you ready to see Google's take on a foldable phone? And do you think the new Tensor G5 chip is going to be the real deal? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more leaks, rumors, and news on the latest tech. You don't want to miss out on any of the upcoming details about the Pixel 10 series. Catch you guys in the next one.